Guys, kamusta ka na dyan? Magandang umaga sa inyo. Right now, we are here in Fairmont, Banff. Dito yung National Conference of Immigration na ginagawa annually. So if you're a consultant, inatin na namin to kasi there's a lot of good news and updates from immigration. So yun guys, day 2 na to ngayon and I'm just very excited to be here kasi ang dami naming natutunan when it comes to updates yun nga sa immigration. So gusto ko rin pakilala sa inyo mamaya yung mga fellow immigration consultants natin. We get to know them and then we'll see kung ano yung share nila about their learnings and about the updates regarding sa immigration natin. It's true na marami talaga mapapauwi ngayon, right? There's about 1,500,000 permit holders ang posible na umuwi this year and that's the sad reality. But at the same time, we're here to navigate kung paano natin sila matulungan. So, tumahan nyo ako guys. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga updates ngayon. And before that, kain muna tayo. Tara! The view. Look at that.
Hi, Dodong.
Hi guys, kamusta? Pakilala naman kayo.
My name is Maluisha Callahan. You can call me Lot. Yeah, like Dodong, I'm an RCIC.
Yan. Tapos kayo pa ate.
I'm Chevy from Victoria, BC.
Wow.
Good morning. Hello. Hello, I'm Lourdes Rojas Putalid. I'm from Cranbrook, British Columbia. It's nice to see Brent here.
My name is Buena Bowman. I am from Meadow Lake, Saskatchewan. I am a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I've been practicing since 2016.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Marjorie Newman. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. The name of the company is MCN Canada Immigration Consulting. I'm based here in Edmonton.
Hi everyone, I'm Mac Pagaduan and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant based in Edmonton and I own Canada Vertex Immigration na nasa Edmonton din.
I'm Grace Undag and she is Sony Yang of Edmonton din. It's Initiate Immigration Consultancy.
And mine is SNY Immigration Incorporated.
Yeah.
They can assure na we are updating our knowledge regarding the CICC.
Edit mo yan.
Nagugulat ako dito kay Dodo kasi
Biglaan.
Okay, go.
yeah, we're here right now sa NCIC, sa National Citizenship and Immigration Conference. Sa mga licensed consultant, we have this activity every year for us to update and keep on top of the what's happening in the Canadian immigration. So, yung mga clients, they can assure na trusted nila yung mga immigration consultant for handling their cases properly. Yeah, if you want a consultation, you can reach me out sa WhatsApp 587-982-9150.
Yan.
Follow me at FB page, Unity Pacific Immigration. Ang kagandahan ng experience namin here is hindi lang yung update kami sa knowledge namin, also yung what will be the next plan ng immigration, so policies. Ang na-enjoy ko rin dun yung sa BCPMP nomination.
We are here right now at the annual NCIC. Ito yung convention or conference yearly for those who are licensed and member ng CAPIC sa immigration.
Yan. Based from our seminar for 2 days, ano bang pwede mo ma-share to our viewers and sa mga followers mo?
Yes, of course, nakakatuwa lang kasi itong mga we are able to talk to our stakeholders, government stakeholders like Service Canada, ESDC, CBSA. Sila yung mga ka-deal natin in processing our clients' applications. So with this knowledge na nagain natin, parehas mas ma-explain pa natin sa clients kung ano yung perspective, government's perspective at representatives perspective. So mas maintindihan nila kung ano yung nangyayari. Lalo na ngayon, nandito tayo sa stage na napakaraming changes.
Yan. Kung sakali ba, how are they able to find you in social media, connect with you? Paano?
Yeah, so you can find me, just type in, o search nyo lang, Mac Berrilio Pagaduan Jr. or Canada Vertex.
Yan.
Sa Facebook, and then I have also TikTok. Just type in my name and my company as well.
Yung brother, maraming salamat. Baka gusto mag-hi sa mga followers mo rin.
Yes, hi everyone. Okay, abangan. So, syempre, new knowledges ang naging natin. So, may mga iba ipopost tayo, may share tayo sa kanila for updates, for immigration updates.
Your brother, maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Anytime. Thank you.
I've been practicing as a RCAC for 13 years now, and I'm very happy to be with Brent. So we're both, or not only us, but many of us are actually here at Lake Louise, Fairmont. Nonetheless, attending the 20th CAPEC anniversary, and at the same time a national conference for immigration consultants all over Canada. And it's been very exciting since we started, since the conference started this morning. We are very happy with what we've been hearing. So it's actually not all negative for all our clients, and also those who are in Canada on temporary residence, like our students, international students, our foreign workers, those who would like to apply for permanent residence. I know it hasn't been easy with so many changes, you know, with immigration changes that's been going on since for the past 2 years. But that's why we are here for you. We're here for our clients. We're here for anybody who would like information, because we want to learn, we want to improve, we want to grow, because this is the only way we will be able to serve our clients better. There's so many things that we have learned today. Actually, it's very ang dami na. So many things to catch up. But in my 13 years practice, I always attend. I haven't missed a single NCIC, because I always believe in order to serve our clients better, we have to be proactive. We have to continue to learn, especially with the ever-changing immigration landscape in Canada. But rest assured that we are doing this for you, not only for our clients, but we're doing this for our community, and we're doing this also to our followers, especially Brent's followers. And so yeah, you can find me. We have a website page, MCN Canada Immigration Consulting, and also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, MCN Canada Immigration Consulting. Thank you, Brent.
Thank you,
I've been practicing since 2016.
So ano ba, na-enjoy mo ba yung seminar natin ngayon? Annual seminar?
Oo naman, kasama ka eh. No. We like to come here every year. Like me and my group, we're about 6 or 7 in a room right now. We come here every year to learn, to experience new things and meet new people. I say with the profession that we've got, it is very lonely. So it's like to come. It's nice to come here every year.
Ano bang masasabi mo? What we've learned so far?
So from yesterday, that everything is changing, and with every time it changes, you just have to go with the flow.
Galing naman.
And when you try to find ways for your client to become permanent resident in Canada, and you are meet with doors and closing doors and everything else because of the different stream closing, you just have to sit back, relax, and innovate and think, because it's not just the payment. It is walking with your client every step of the way.
Yeah. So, Madam Buena, how can they reach you at social media? Kung magpapakonsult sila, paano ba?
They can call. I'm not very active in social media. I have stayed behind it. Away from it since I started my practice. But they can call me at 306-304-1954.
Ayun. Thank you very much, ha?
Thank you, Brent.
Thank you. Sige na, enjoy your breakfast na. Ano ba mga company nyo?
It's Initiate Immigration Consultancy.
Mine is SNY Immigration Incorporated.
Yan. So, okay, before anything else, guys, how can they find you sa social media?
You can find me at Grace Undag or Initiate Immigration Consultancy.
Tapos ikaw
Sa
naman.
Facebook, SNY Immigration Inc., Instagram, SNY Immigration Inc. Yun lang so far.
So, Sunny, ikaw muna first question.
Sure.
Ano ba yung pwede mong ma-share sa mga friends natin, viewers, what we learned from this seminar?
Okay, so by the way, we are here to celebrate the 20th anniversary of KPIC. That's our association, Professional Immigration Consultants. And so far, na-learn ko, I love to deal with complex clients, like complicated files. So, what you're gonna do as an immigration consultant kung yung client mo na-refuse? So, I love to do reconsideration first, ask the officer why this application was refused, and then if they won't answer, they won't respond, then delegate them to maybe judicial review to the federal court, and much more explain to the client what would be your approach, and make that refusal overturned and be successful.
So yun guys,
as a representative.
yeah, if you have any complex na mga cases,
Yes.
make sure to contact your Tita Sunny
If you
Yang.
receive procedural friends letter, or if you're out of status, we can apply you a TRP, temporary resident permit, or whatever, humanitarian compassionate considerations.
Yeah, thank you so much for
You're
sharing.
welcome.
Kayo naman, Grace. Ano bang, what can you share sa nangyari ngayon?
Okay, yeah, that's right. Just like what Tony said, we're here at the Fairmont Hotel at Lake Louise for our NCIC, the 20th anniversary of KPIC. What I learned from this conference is a very good opportunity. Although I'm already practicing more than I'm on my 9th year of this practice, but every year when I came here to attend the conference, I learned a lot to better my practice, and especially with this kind of type of profession. We need to be updated, up to date with what are the changes, like especially at this time, present though. I've never seen lots of back-to-back changes in policies. Between IRCC and ESDC, there are lots of back-to-back changes. That's what I have learned, that so far, just recently, they said that there are 190 policies changes, like currently. But as a professional of this immigration consultant, we need to be up to date. We need to have all updated so that we can serve, and I can serve my clients better, and to help them empower their goals, especially how to maintain their status in Canada, come to Canada as their second home, and for their goal, if whatever their goals, they come in here as a visitor, student, workers, or permanent residents. And I hope I can give you some information can help. We're here in Edmonton. I'm located by 182 Street Northwest, just a block away from West Edmonton Mall.
Yeah, thanks, Grace. Maraming salamat.
All right.
Yeah,
Thank you also, Brent, for giving this opportunity.
It's really nice. Okay, I'm more for the caregiver pathway, so it's very nice. But I know what happened was they have the new program, pilot program, but they still working on the backlogs from the previous caregiver program. But it's good that they have a new one, which is until 2029. This is something to look forward to.
Sa mga people na who wants to be a caregiver, they're coming from outside Canada.
Oh, from outside Canada, that is really, they can have the, what do you call this, that will not be, not until in 2027. And then, what they have to do is, they just have to be certified in the Philippines. They can take caregiving courses from TESDA.
Yeah.
Yes. So, yeah. So, and then, you just have a genuine job offer.
Yeah.
That is very, very important.
So again, Tita, for caregivers out there, how can they reach you again po?
Please visit my website, LRB Immigration Consultancy, and then you can find my contact details. Send me. I would prefer if you send me an email than calling me, because at least I have enough time to respond.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Tita, pakita natin yung name mo dyan, no?
Oh, here.
Yeah, that's Tita Lourdes. Yan. Tita, maraming salamat po. Thank you for sharing and enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye for now. Nice talking to you. Okay.
Take the other leg, the other side. Remember to move, guys. And ladies, make sure your high heels are happy. Come on, the entire body, not just the head.
So guys, tapos na yung seminar. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda dito. We are here in Lake Louise. sa Banff to. So dito ginanap yung 20th birthday or anniversary ng KPEC or ng Association of Immigration Consultants. And I'm just so happy na marami tayong natutunan. We're here to serve you more kung ano man yung mga cases nyo. And sa mga friends natin na mga consultants din who joined our vlog and pakilala sila, make sure to follow them, ask them questions, and support natin yung mga channels nila. And if you have any questions or concern, kung hindi kami available, feel free to reach out to them. So yun guys, I hope na matulungan namin kayo lalo. There's so many changes, medyo challenging immigration natin, but we're here to help, and hopefully we could work together. We can continue working together with you. So yun lang, maraming salamat. Dream big without no B. See ya.